In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use AI like GPT-5 in Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a blank spreadsheet, or opening an existing one where you want to work. Once you are inside the sheet, click into an empty cell near the area where you plan to place your AI output. Choosing the right cell first helps you control where the result will appear, so your sheet stays organized. Next, type the word highlight into that cell. This is a simple example input, but the key idea is that you are placing text into the spreadsheet, so the AI feature has something to work with. You can replace this word later with any phrase, label, or instruction that matches your task. But for now, keep it exactly as shown so you can follow along. After you enter the text, look for the Google Sheets AI option that mentions summarizing, categorizing, or generating text tailored to your data with Gemini. This feature is labeled as experimental, which means the interface may change slightly over time, and it may not appear in every account or region. When you see it, click it to open the AI tools connected to your spreadsheet. Inside that AI menu, select the option called AI Prompt. Think of this as a function you can use to generate results based on an instruction called the prompt, and optionally based on data you select in the sheet called the range. The prompt tells the AI what you want it to do, and the range points to the cells that contain the information the AI should use. Now click on the range part. This is where you choose the cells the AI should read. When you click range, you can select the relevant cells directly on your sheet. If you only want the AI to work from the single word you typed, you can select just that one cell. If you are working with a list or a table, you would select the full block of cells that contains your data. Be careful to select only what is needed, because a clean range gives more consistent results and keeps the output focused. Once the range is selected, you are set up to use AI directly in Google Sheets using that prompt and range structure. And that is all there is to it.